Um, Welcome back to this channel. So today we are going to look into the introduction to precast pre-stressed concrete design using the blackmint software known as Concise Beam version 4. So it's a really good and a really nice software. Um, Plus we will go for manual calculations just to make sure that the software is working as per the manual calculations. So, in order to be a good engineer, you must know the manual practice behind every software. So, let's jump start. So, this is what the software looks like in the beginning. When you open the software, it looks just like this. It opens like this. So, let's maximize this. And for example, let's this is a toolbar. Okay, and this is for example, whenever we're going to start a new program, we'll go to file and we'll select new, and for example this will open up. So now what you're going to do is you're going to maximize this again, and for example, let's check what are the other options here in the edit menu. See, you cannot do anything in the edit menu until now. Options, yeah, let's go to options. The first option is the design code. For example, which design code we're going to follow. We generally follow the ACI code here in the Middle East. So I'll stick to ACI 31819, and I'll save the code as default. You can see a lot of codes are there: CSA Canadian Standard, Australian, New Zealand. It's up to you. Whichever code you want to use, you can use. So let's save it as default as my practice. So save it. See, it's telling me that every time whenever I use it, it will be there. Okay. So let's click it OK. And let's go to option again. And I can see the libraries. If I open the libraries, this thing shows me the 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 number of precasted elements as per different country standards, like Canadian and PCI and all that. Not until now. Until now, we will not look into it. Let's cancel this. Let's go to options and go for units of measures. As units of measures, you can see here is one is US customary, which is English system of units, and the other is metric SI, which is the MKS or system international units. So I'll stick to MKS as we are following this in the Middle East. So let's click OK. Here you can change whatever you want to megapascal to kPa or whatever it suits you. So let's get to click OK. And the other thing is that, see, it's you can even switch to US imperial units just by clicking here. But yeah, let's go to calculation options. Yeah, this is something you don't need to check now. We'll go for this calculations options in detail in the further upcoming videos. So let's cancel this. Yeah, we don't want it. So let's go to options, and there is deflection multipliers. I hope you guys know about this. If you don't know about these deflection multipliers until now, no problem. We will go into detail that what are these deflection multipliers and how from where they are coming and what is the exact value and from how these values are generated. So I'll get to tell you in the upcoming videos. So let's cancel OK, just click on OK until now. Let's go for load combinations. So yeah, as you can see, it's the load combinations here are all ACI and IBC based. So I think that if you select a different country code, the load combinations will be generated automatically as per that country. So yeah, you see the dead load multiplier is 1.4, and if I check this, I can even change these values if I want to change them until now, and even I can change the name. So I can And for example, let's just try changing this, like from to TDL, which is total dead load. See, as soon as I click, as soon as I change the name, these values turn red. So I can just click on modify. As you see, it's changed. Now let's change this combinations to 1.2 TDL plus 1.6 LL, which is the live load. So let's modify it again. So yeah, see, the name is changed here. So yeah, you can manipulate this, you can try changing, and you can reset the selected design code. As I told you previously, that whichever design code you'll choose, it will come up. So yeah, that's it. So let's get to click OK. Yeah. So now, as we saw the options menu, now we'll go to the define menu. Define menu is the problem identification. Problem identification is whatever the project name, whatever the problem identification is, the company's name, engineer's name. You can write anything you want to write. We will discuss in the coming video, which we will jumpstart from a small problem. So let's click on OK. The concern of this video is to just tell you that how the software works. So here you'll find the concrete material, the beam definition, and everything is in a stepwise fashion. So you don't need to worry about it. It's a very neat and a very elegant software. So yeah, this is a solution tab from where we can generate the text report and the graphs of stress diagrams, stress checks, and flexural diagrams, shear diagrams, and all that. We will discuss that. And this is a view. Once you model a beam or a flexural member, you can check this from here as well, the views. And this is the window, and this is the help. So I don't think I'm here to help. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Let's jump start into another, in which we will discuss a simple beam design in Concise beam. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.